Hi Jenny, it's me, Sandy, and I just wanted to tell you thank you for everything that you've done for me as a person and going through Amethyst, graduating from Amethyst, and it's been an amazing program. It saved my life, and you've always been there. I've always seen you around, and you've always interacted with all of the girls and women in a loving way, and you are an exceptional person, one that I will never ever forget in my entire life, and I really love you.